Panyero! Sinsa kayo, nga nila mo kinabuhi dire. Ay, pabugnaw-bugnaw.
Balik pagkabata!
Ay, kalami, kayos kinabuhi dire. Good morning, Mommy. Lady in red. Alright. Hey, what happened? What happened to our house? It's flooded? Morning, Raver.
Morning.
So early. Where's Ella?
Ella is at Nana's house sleeping.
She's awake?
No. Kenny sleeping.
Alright. Good morning, guys. Actually, drama rato siya nga naman pala kung pag matataraw, tapos pagbangon, tapos I woke up like this, and ganina ako ng mata, nag-ilis ako. Mga drama sa YouTube. Today, dagan kay buhatong karong adlaw.
What are we gonna pack?
But last night, supposed to be, mag-vlog ta ko, ani. So last night, nato ni Mami sa Centurion Mall. So mga Cagayan de Oro products ni ga-support ko mga local products. First is I love it.
What's that?
It's tabliya. Let's prepare this. How to prepare tabliya drink? Boil 300 ml water, add 2 pieces tabliya, stir for 1 minute or until tabliya is completely dissolved, add it and serve. For early morning, let's have Sikwate. Oh yeah, my favorite. For the salad, it's Alomas vinaigrette salad dressing. Vinaigrette? Kalimut mo ko yun.
There doesn't have anything. It's just blind.
Pure ginamos. Chili garlic oil.
Focus. Compare faces.
There. Chili garlic oil. Mommy's favorite. Kimchi.
Kimchi.
Yeah, Korean something. Sweet and spicy alamang. Again, another alamang. Your face, Faber. Out your face. It could be blurry. Next. Shrimp and chili paste. So, alamang gyapon ni siguro. Dimasak sedap sambal udang. No? So, alamang gyapon ni Deo. The same mo rin this,
Yeah.
Chorizo de Cebu. I love chorizo de Cebu. So small. Medyo gubot ang balay kaya siyempre magdala na may kubang gamit, dalo na namin sa akong pikas. Let's boil. And then let's cook the chorizo de Cebu. Lasa itong salad, Bing. Ba't sa ref? So, galuto na ko sa chorizo de Cebu. Simple kaya pagluto ng mga chorizo. Tubig ra yun na. Put some tabliya. Chorizo de Cebu. Kakain kami sa labas ng bahay. And after this, kailangan may madto sa balay. We have supposed to have a dance class. We'll be absent for today. Alright. Kumakain kami sa labas ng bahay. So, narang chorizo de Cebu. Tapos, akong gusto i-try karon kaning sweet and spicy alamang. Hi Ella, bulingit pa kay tanan, maligo pa meron, then
Yeah. What's up? Hey, what's up, bro? Hello, Sunny boy. There. Hello, Sunny boy. Speak of peace. Ah!
Coffee.
Coffee? What's a coffee? I made it. Coffee! Hello, Daddy-o.
What's up, people? What's up, scholar? What should I call to my followers? It's
Hello, all
hello
you
student. No, it's Bitokbitok University. Like students. What's up, students?
No. Like each YouTuber has like that. So yeah.
So it's like Bitokbitok University. So they're like students. What's up, students? Welcome.
So
What's up, students? This is your dean. No.
this is your teacher.
The professor.
This is your
This is your professor. Bernie Bitokbitok. Welcome back to Bitokbitok University YouTube channel. And with me here, Raver,
G'day.
the half Korean, half ginseng, Korean ginseng. Annyeong.
Hiya.
They like that.
No,
And
like
of
this, like
course-
this, Daddy.
And Rusty is here.
Hi.
And right now, you want to see the view? Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's yeah.
So
I think
open.
yeah. I think it's windy right now. You cannot hear us.
You gotta feel it.
We're here in Doods Ridge in Pasok
No, we're in Mount Kitanlan.
Bonding time because these two kids, there's always playing gadget. PS4,
My favorite is the PS4.
PS4 computer for the
And-
game of Fortnite. So
Not sponsored.
not fun, but that's why today relax tayo relax.
Okay, lie down.
Yeah, smell some fresh air.
And tomorrow we're gonna go swimming in the
Tomorrow
pool.
swimming in the pool in the
It's been a long
spring.
time since we swim in the pool.
You want?
Is it? Yeah.
Why? Why you don't have time swimming in the pool? Why? Because
We
your
have an
parents-
inflatable pool, but there's one always thing. There's always one part of the. There's always one tiny hole that we cannot fix
All right.
because of the
So
water.
let's talk. Let's have a boys talk.
And there's a girl. There's a girl coming.
Yeah. Yeah. She's
Ella?
Uy, grabe kayo. Wow, special service.
May also be.
Coffee, baby. Ooh, nice.
We want water.
Alright, Panyero.
Panyero!
Na si Kuya Doods.
Highway rin sa bukid.
Kung nakainomdom mo, nag-vlog na ko diri sa una katong nag-camping me. Medyo giulan me.
Gate ni Panyero. Isa nga ba Panyero?
Pink ra bagay sapatos. So karon na natay gibuhat nga murag dalan-dalan diri no. Sa man na, uy, sa may naghakabulawan diri. Sa may nagkunog bulawan diri.
Sa kasimana na daw sila, mura di po.
Bato man din ni. So kani diri ang gibuhat future ning campsite diri sa lain na pud nga katunay gusto diha nga mag-camping-camping. Guwapo kay ang view diri. Ani siya sa Pasugong. Napagid ang kuano, sunset oh. Okay, mas small raman na. Ha? Ah, very small.
Ay, that's very small.
Kung man, black man na kayo na. Ay, dira ko to paniro. Nana may kawayan diri. Nana may kawayan lagi. Saan na yun?
Taluktukan paniro
Sama.
kay. Ako
Ah, nindot kayo ang hangin. There's the sunset. So far.
Yes. You can go really down there.
You like it?
It's a nicer view to go down there. Because you can see the roads.
Sa Jansport. Buna sa Jansport.
Lagi kaning dako ba? Tay do ka bugnes babaw, gati na hindi buhat na.
Tingala mga tao diri. Ano na may sugat diri? Oh, may kuryente. Ah, kuan din ni siya solar. LED nag-solar. So pagbuntag kuan og energy. Paggabi siga dayon oh. Hayag kayo. Kita kay kunaong. Klaro pa kay among sinugba. Oh, sugba-sugba rin may gala. Mag-celebrate mi daan kung kinsa magaling mo daog karong eleksyon.
Stay quiet for the monkey.
Say, hi guys, how are you doing?
Hola, Dada. Kumusta?
No Wi-Fi, no problem.
Daddy!
No Wi-Fi, no problem.
Daddy!
Yes.
To run!
Here ka, the other one ka. Here ka, the other side.
Please swing, I'm gonna go!
Oh, change
Oh, 10 more minutes.
Change na. Oh, here, Ella. Sige na, Ella.
Oh, Ella, other side ka, Ella. I'll be here.
Rayber, dito ka sa pikas. Oh, help Ella. Help Ella, Rayber.
There, like that. Yes. Okay.
So, nana may gidong agdaan. Pero magdong agyapon may brown rice. Luto tag brown rice. Dala man kog burner. Para sa amo mga diabetic, brown rice.
Tomorrow.
Good morning from Impasugong Bukidnon, Panyero.
ay bunta.
Sinsa kay kayo nga nila gina mo kinabuhi dire. Ay, pabugnaw-bugnaw.
Pagkabata.
Ay, kalami kayos kinabuhi dire. Walay wifi. So active kayo mga bata. Kay wifi.
Ay, there's internet.
Tapos kuan lang may duyan. Mga piden meron. Taon niyan taon na pa rin may atuan unya nga makatanggal pod sa kuan stress o kaigang sa lawas. Kay ugma kumbati na sad mi trabaho. Mugin importante sa pamilya. Oy, before anything else, Happy Mother's Day sa among mga paboritong asawa. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Tugnawa kay diri oy. Tapos may payag na yun.
No phone sa mo?
Nadaskilid. Sayo kayo hayag naman. Alas 5:19 pa. Mag-init meron. Tapos ngaping.
Ano ini nitro?
Pero mangihi sa ko kay ganina ra ko kahion. Internet na siya.
Yo! I'm really cold. Daddy? I really want to go.
What? Simple life. Muna ang gusto mag-retire ko. Nakay kwarta. Pero simple ang life, no? Muna yung dagan ka kwarta. Pero simple rin mong kinabuhi. No? Kaya bisa usaw nakadagan ng kwarta, tayo mong luho, grabe. Magyapon ay pulos. Oh, the kids are there up. There, Ella, Rusty.